The research presents FreeDrag, an improved method for image editing that addresses issues encountered by DragGon, a previous model that often struggles with accurately tracking points. Through experiments, it has been found that FreeDrag's new feature-oriented approach, which uses adaptive template features, line search, and fuzzy localization, is better at handling image editing tasks, especially in complex situations. This is a truly insightful read from John Luddig about some of the narratives and trends in AI that are easily misconstrued or just plain wrong. If you're thinking of or already building an AI, this is a must-read. Anthropic has released its newest model, Claude 2. Claude 2 offers improved performance, extended responses, and is accessible via API and a beta site. With enhanced reasoning, coding, and math capabilities, Claude 2 can process up to 100K tokens in each prompt, enabling it to tackle complex technical tasks and generate lengthy documents. AI models have many parameters which are represented in the computer with decimal numbers. The precision of these numbers determines how precise they are and how much space they take. If you reduce the precision from 32 bits to 16, you get dramatic speedups. Now we can go all the way to 4 and get a 4x speedup on some architectures. It is plug and play with Hugging Face models. Nick Clegg, Meta's president of global affairs, is heavily advocating for open-source LLMs. Chinese entrepreneur Wang Xiaochuan and his nascent startup Baichuan Intelligence rolled out its next-generation large language model Baichuan 13B today to rival OpenAI. The researchers in this study propose CoAct-Seg, a new framework that improves the segmentation of new lesions in multiple sclerosis, MS, by utilizing a mix of data from single and two-time point scans. By maintaining relationships among the inputs and outputs, and with the aid of a new MS23V1 dataset, this method significantly improves the performance of identifying both new and all existing lesions in MS patients. Jeremy Howard argues that stringent regulation is counterproductive and instead advocates for openness, humility, and broad consultation to develop better responses aligned with our principles and values. Ask your CSV files questions the way you normally talk. A recent study on language models revealed a performance drop when locating relevant information in the middle or long portions of the input context. Despite being designed for long context handling, these models excel primarily at the beginning or end of the context. The findings offer an improved understanding of language model operations and suggest new testing protocols for long context models. Although NVIDIA is currently dominating the AI chip market, AMD is working on a competitor. PhantomBuster is a lead-generation automation software. It works via 100+ phantoms, single automations, and flows, sequences. PhantomBuster just released 2 AI features to enrich your LinkedIn leads with GPT and auto-write personalized DMs. Researchers have created a new method called TIM that teaches language models to better translate text by showing them examples of right and wrong translations. This method, tested on the WMT2022 datasets, has been found to outperform existing techniques. Jumanji is helping pioneer a new wave of hardware-accelerated research and development in the field of reinforcement learning. Jumanji's high-speed environments enable faster iteration and large-scale experimentation while simultaneously reducing complexity. Input a description of your task and some test cases, and the system will generate, test, and rank a multitude of prompts to find the ones that perform the best.